event, and we will only allow speakers to keep their cameras and microphones turned on. So welcome to today's online meetup. My name is James Rossi and I will be your conductor for today's event. I would also like to give you a brief description of what TechItalia is for those who do not know. TechItalia is a community created in 2016 as a local meetup to give an opportunity and help IT professionals to create networks and spread knowledge. As Daniele was saying earlier, we started organising virtual events in 2019, which allowed us to bring knowledge from all over the world. And there are currently more than 1,200 members from all industries, so development, project management, design, marketeers, and we organise an average of 2 events per month. So today's topic is full stack development, and 5 different speakers from 5 different countries will tell us about their experience and expertise in this sector. So Daniele Fontani is our first speaker, and he will talk about the modern developer as a role within the industry. So Daniele, are you with us?
Okay, I'm sharing the screen. I try to find the right one. Can you see me?
Yeah, perfectly. That's great.
I'll move this Zoom pin here. And sorry, has some issues. Okay, perfect. So finally here. Hello everybody. I'm Daniele Fontani. I'm here today to speak about shapes. And the first question is, why are we talking about front end in a full stack conference? And probably for answering this question, I need a premise. I confess that I don't like definition and I don't like level 2. But we need definitions sometimes, like this time. And the first definition we have is about full stack. And this guy managed all the stack in an application, from data to presentation. Basically, he do everything in a web application from A to Z. And as we know, there was a golden age when we had mostly monolithic application, maybe MVC architecture, and the full stack work with service-side rendering and plays with all the technology of the stack, jQuery, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, everything. And it was the time of the old, comfortable monoliths. This time ends when someone creates single-page applications. Single-page application changed the way we was working, because we can divide single-page application, the front end, from the APIs, the backend, and we can employ different teams. So the full stack developer was behind a change, and he needed to learn how to implement the backend part and the front end part to keep aligned to the development times. And being a full stack became a mess because there was too many things to learn. The context switch is very hard, and he had to keep updated on each technology he managed. Many full stack developers find the way of technical specialization. So they start doing only one thing and they want to do it right. As we see from this statistic from GitHub Survey, we see that most of full stack developer then specialized on backend or front end. So we see that somebody has one role, somebody plays 2 roles, but there are a lot of people that are focused only on one side of the application. So that seems the right way, but there are other traits on the path, because there is cloud, there is DevOps, and there is the need of understanding what others say. So probably being focused only on one technology is something limitative. So it's really possible to focus only on one discipline and being productive Probably no. Some days after the born of very, very vertical profiles, someone that loves definition, not me, of course, coined the term T-shaped developer. That basically is a developer that knows a little bit of everything and is focused on one discipline. So become a T-shaped developer is the solution to overcome the limits of being full stack or backend or front-end developer. My answer is no, but just because there isn't any solution, because there isn't any problem here. For what I see, there is a more holistic vision of the world where there is no backend and full stack and front-end. For what I see, there is only developer, and developer that have different set of skill for the need they have in their work and for their attitude and for what they want to be in the future as developers. So we have some developers that are more focused on front end and learn better Angular, React, and Vue.js, but they have to know something about DevOps or something about API development because they have to work with a team. And the solution in that scenario is always expand our knowledge. No matter if this seems too much backend or too much front end for you, it's important to keep updated on all the technologies. And that's why we selected the best topic for last front-end and backend trends to present today in this meetup. So without any further delay, just enjoy the meetup.